Here's how we made an epic commercial for a simple toothbrush using the Nikon Z6III. Our opening shot features the toothbrush turning on a rotating platform with a spotlight on the background to capture the effect of the dramatic silhouette. Thanks to the Nikon Z6III's incredible low-light capabilities, we were able to get clean, rich shots like this. We captured this shot and most of our footage for this video in 6K to give us flexibility to crop, pan, and zoom in editing. The Z6III's 4K and 120 frames per second slow motion option was our go-to slow-mo setting. This was a fun shot. Combining soap and glycerin, we were able to form large, colorful bubbles, and using the NIKKOR Z 105mm macro lens, you can see all the details of the bubbles. While the macro lens was ideal for capturing details, the versatility of the 24 to 70mm supported capturing a variety of viewpoints, providing plenty of options for quick cuts and post. Try these tips out, and be sure to share your epic captures with us using #NikonCreators.